Fiverr is one of the best sites for discovering fast online jobs to do in your spare time. And if you want to grow your virtual career, this platform might also be a fun method to figure out which of the most popular Fiverr gigs can be added to your services. You can utilize it for research and to reconsider your freelance options. There are several freelancing sites similar to Fiverr, such as Upwork, Freelancer, Guru, and People Per Hour, among others, but Fiverr is one of the most popular. The best part about this site is that you can start selling your services for as little as $5. Why you need to consider selling your services on Fiverr. 1. Starting and working as a freelancer is quite straightforward. No prior expertise is required. 2. You can start charging as low as $5 for your gig, but don't think that you can only charge $5 for your services. There's great earning potential on Fiverr once you've established your reputation. 3. You can provide microservices that do not require staff or a significant amount of effort. 4. You have the option of working from home and at your own pace. You have the option of selecting a time that is convenient for you. The best part is that you can pause your gig and take a break whenever you want. 5. Fiverr is significantly more user-friendly and easy. 6. This is a fantastic website where you can find unconventional ideas. If you have a passion for a subject and can deliver services, Fiverr could be the place for you. 7. On Fiverr, you don't have to beg for work, which means you don't have to contact buyers to sell your services. Instead, you simply post a gig, and the buyer will contact you based on their needs. 8. You can withdraw your funds using a number of options, which include PayPal and direct bank transfer. Payouts can be made quickly and easily without waiting for a check to arrive in the mail. Check out these 15 best-selling services on Fiverr. You might have the expertise to provide these services yourself and start earning money. Pinterest pin creation. Bloggers and business owners are increasingly focusing their efforts on Pinterest traffic because it's the second most valuable source of traffic that converts leads into sales. As a result, many people are willing to pay high fees to designers to create Pinterest pins for their website or blog. If you have a rudimentary understanding of how to make Pinterest pins, you can make money by selling this service on Fiverr. Whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation is a Fiverr job that people with digital drawing skills could do. It's a great entry-level work for anyone who can design interesting animations. A simple 30-second whiteboard animation work can cost $175. Plus, you can add features like narration, HD resolution, watermarking, and more for an additional price. Photo editing. You may provide photo editing services on Fiverr if you know how to use Photoshop and other photo editing software. Simply erase the image background, retouch fashion, edit Amazon product photos, and so on. You can also utilize online image editing tools to help you create more stunning photos. Product description. It's a fun job, but it requires a lot of imagination and a thorough understanding of the product. You can also choose this gig on Fiverr if you have expertise and experience writing product descriptions. Almost every product presented on the internet needs a product description. For example, all Amazon products have a description, and any product that you search for on Google has a few lines written about it as well. You can make a lot of money if you know how to do this. If you haven't done it before, you can look at some of the descriptions on Amazon to see how they're written. Since no prior experience or educational background is required, you can definitely give it a try. Logo design. Many organizations have utilized Fiverr to design an attractive logo for their business. An increasing number of Fiverr users are looking for help in designing a logo for their business or making changes to an existing one. For logo design, you don't need a lot of experience. For those who are talented at creating distinctive and original logos, this may be a great chance. You need to demonstrate your creativity. So if you have a portfolio, then show it off. Learning logo design is simple and may be completed in a short period of time. You can make a lot of money by providing logo design services. If you have experience and have previously designed logos for large corporations, you can earn $75 to $100 for just one logo. Article writing. Several companies hire article writers to generate traffic to their websites. Well-written articles can help a firm reach new heights. You won't be able to make an impression if you don't do this. If you have outstanding writing skills, this might be one of the most popular gigs on Fiverr. In recent years, we have seen its popularity soar due to its increasing demand. Video tutorials. Numerous experts in various fields, such as cooking, coaching, marketing, and more, produce tutorial videos. A lot of them hire video instructional creators to help them promote their products. If you enjoy creating video tutorials, you can earn between $20 and $25 for every video. Spokesperson. You can become a spokesman for a company's website if you are excellent at public speaking and have a good voice, diction, pronunciation, attitude, and appearance. You can charge by the number of words you're going to say on camera, like this guy who charges $90 for 100 words. Websites, pop-ups, YouTube videos, and other media use these videos as welcome messages. This work can be done on a per-video basis as needed, or on a full-time or part-time basis. Ultimately, the decision is yours. You can basically do this with just your cell phone camera and just change the background after recording. Transcribe audio and video files. This task is also in high demand on Fiverr since clients need audio recordings in written form. You won't get a fixed rate because it varies on the length of the file, the file's clarity, and other considerations. You can expect to earn roughly $5 or more for transcribing a 10-minute audio track. There are many individuals doing this on Fiverr, so there will be a lot of competition for you. However, if you are confident in yourself, it is worth a go. Write reviews. You can earn money on Fiverr by giving your opinion on a given topic. You may even be paid $100 to $150 for reviewing best-selling books. The job is quite a simple and straightforward job that does not require any expertise or prior experience. Proofreading and editing. If you're good at finding mistakes in language, syntax, punctuation, and spelling, Fiverr can be a good place for you to make money. Book, blog, service page, article, and other written materials require the services of proofreaders. The demand for proofreaders is increasing as a result of digitalization, as consumers submit a lot of information online and need proofreaders to edit and make it error-free. You can earn $30 to $100 if you edit 10,000 words. You can charge more money if you have more experience. Design book covers. Fiverr is a wonderful place to start if you have graphic design talents and the know-how to create beautiful book covers. If you were to sell this service here, you could charge a fair amount for it. Resume and cover letter writer. Some people find it difficult to write a resume or cover letter, so they ask someone else to do it. This could include creating resumes from scratch, editing an existing resume to be utilized for a certain job application, writing a cover letter, and updating a LinkedIn page on someone else's behalf. Mobile app and game developer. The development of mobile apps has evolved rapidly since smartphones became the standard. Mobile apps will still be in demand this year and in the future. Game creation is no exception. The need for new apps/games will always exist, and people will always be ready to get their hands on these products. With these tools, you can build apps even if you're not a techie or don't know how to code. The need for new apps or games will always exist, and people will always be ready to get their hands on these products. With these tools, you can build apps even if you're not a techie or don't know how to code. Social media content creator. In addition to research and planning, the work also requires the creation of actual content, which might be a simple Facebook update or tweet, an infographic to put on Instagram, or a short video, etc. Social media assignments might be detailed, such as setting up Instagram advertisements for a business or writing Facebook updates over a period of time. A month-long contract or a social media campaign can also be arranged with the client's approval. There you have it. 15 best-selling services you can offer on Fiverr. If you want to know the tools you can use to help you with these services, read our blog post. We'll leave a link in the description below.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.